Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two popular hair clippers, the Wahl Deluxe 795-245-201M and the TPOB Slime 2. In this video, we will explore their key features, performance, and overall value. The Wahl Deluxe Pro is known for its powerful corded design, making it a great choice for home users, while the TPOB Slime 2 offers professional-grade cordless performance, perfect for barbers and stylists. Join us as we break down their specifications and help you decide which clipper suits your grooming needs best. The Wahl Deluxe Pro operates on a reliable corded electric power source, ensuring consistent performance without the worry of battery life. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 is a cordless clipper, offering the freedom of movement that professionals desire. While the corded design of the Wahl provides uninterrupted power, the cordless feature of the TPOB allows for greater flexibility during use, especially in a busy salon environment. When it comes to pricing, the Wahl Deluxe Pro stands out as an affordable option at just $54, making it an excellent choice for home users looking for value. On the other hand, the TPOB Slime 2 is priced at $125, reflecting its professional-grade features and performance. While the Wahl offers a comprehensive kit for budget-conscious consumers, the TPOB appeals to those willing to invest in high-quality, precision grooming tools. The Wahl Deluxe Pro is designed primarily for home users and families, providing a versatile grooming solution with its extensive kit. It is perfect for those who need a reliable clipper for everyday haircuts. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 is tailored for professional barbers and stylists, offering advanced features like a high-speed motor and precision blades for intricate work. This distinction in target audience highlights the different needs each product aims to fulfill. In conclusion, both the Wahl Deluxe Pro and TPOB Slime 2 have their unique strengths. The Wahl offers great value and reliability for home users, while the TPOB provides professional precision and cordless convenience. Depending on your grooming needs and budget, either clipper could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons.